হেল্ল' গাইজ, আপোনালোক সকলোকে মোৰ চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি মই 2025 চনৰ অসমৰ সাম্প্ৰতিক পৰিক্ৰমাৰ 50টা অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ আলোচনা কৰিম। গতিকে আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈকে চাব। কুৱেশ্যন নাম্বাৰ 1, হু হেজ বিন অনাৰ্ড উইথ আছাম বৈভৱ ইন 2025? 2025 চনত অসম বৈভৱৰ সৈতে কোনে সন্মানিত হৈছে? The correct answer is option D, Lieutenant General Rana Pratap Kolita. Question number 2. How many people have been awarded the Assam Saurav Award in 2025? 2025 চনত কিমানজন লোকক অসম সৌৰভ বঁটা প্ৰদান কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option D, 6. The people who will be officially conferred the Assam Saurav Award on 30 March 2025 are Dr. S. Ramadorai, Chairman of Tata Consultancy Services for his pivotal role in the IT industry; Dipen Borua, an acclaimed playback singer for his contributions to Assamese music; Dr. Purabi Soikia, a Bhatnagar award-winning scientist for her achievements in research; Dr. Bapi Paul, an eminent academician for his work in education; Hemanto Dotto, a prominent theatre artist for his efforts in promoting Assamese theatre; Uma Chetri, a rising cricket star for her remarkable sporting achievements. Question number 3. How many people have been awarded the Assam Gaurav Award in 2025? 2025 চনত কিমানজন লোকক অসম গৌৰৱ বঁটা প্ৰদান কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option C, 13. Question number 4. In which field Fuleshwari Dotto received Assam Gaurav 2025? কোনটো ক্ষেত্ৰত ফুলেশ্বৰী দত্তই অসম গৌৰৱ 2025 লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D, Environment and Forest. Fuleshwari Dotto from Dhokwakhona, Lakhimpur has been conferred the Assam Gaurav Award for her remarkable contributions to vulture conservation. Question number 5. In which field inspirational biker Meenakshi Das received Assam Gaurav 2025? কোনটো ক্ষেত্ৰত প্ৰেৰণাদায়ক বাইকাৰ মীনাক্ষী দাসে অসম গৌৰৱ 2025 লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option B, Social Service. Meenakshi Das is a fitness trainer and biker from Guwahati, Assam, known for her solo motorcycle journey across 64 countries, aiming to become the first woman to ride solo across the world. Question number 6. In which field footballer Parthiv Gogoi received Assam Gaurav 2025? কোনটো ক্ষেত্ৰত ফুটবল খেলুৱৈ পাৰ্থিৱ গগৈয়ে অসম গৌৰৱ 2025 লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option C, Sports. Parthiv Sundar Gogoi is an Indian professional footballer who plays as a forward for Indian Super League club North East United. Question number 7. In which field Dhirendranath Pal received Assam Gaurav Award 2025? কোনটো ক্ষেত্ৰত ধীৰেন্দ্ৰনাথ পালে অসম গৌৰৱ বঁটা 2025 লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A, Social Service. Dhirendranath Pal is a master terracotta artist from Asarikandi village, Dhubri district. He will be conferred the Assam Gaurav Award 2025 for his significant contributions to preserving and promoting Assam's traditional terracotta craft. Question number 8. For which contribution has Haridas Das been awarded Assam Gaurav 2025? কোনটো অৱদানৰ বাবে হৰিদাস দাসক অসম গৌৰৱ 2025 বঁটা দিয়া হৈছে? The correct answer is option A, Traditional Bell Metal Industry. Haridas Das is an artisan from Sorthebari, Borpeta district. Question number 9. For which contribution has Bharat Kolita been awarded Assam Gaurav 2025? কোনটো অৱদানৰ বাবে ভাৰত কলিতাক অসম গৌৰৱ 2025 বঁটা দিয়া হৈছে? The correct answer is option A, Bozalis Dairy Sector. Bharat Kolita has received the Assam Gaurav Award for his significant contribution to the development of the dairy industry in the state. Question number 10. Barlangfa Nursery has been awarded the Assam Gaurav 2025 in which field? বৰলাংফা নাৰ্জাৰীক কোন ক্ষেত্ৰত অসম গৌৰৱ 2025 বঁটাৰে সন্মানিত কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option A, Bodo Dance and Culture. Barlangfa Nursery has been awarded the Assam Gaurav 2024 for his contributions to Bodo dance and culture, specifically for his role as in charge of the Ramphulville Bodoland Cultural Center. Question number 11. Why has Ram Sasoni been conferred the Assam Gaurav 2025? কিয় ৰাম শাসনিক অসম গৌৰৱ 2025 বঁটা প্ৰদান কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option A, for preserving Jhumoir dance. Renowned singer Ram Sasoni, born on February 27, 1950 in Sepon Tea Estate, Dibrugarh, has been composing music since childhood. He has been selected for the prestigious Assam Gaurav Award for his significant contributions to the cultural field of the tea community. Question number 12. Upamanyu Borkakoti has been conferred the Assam Gaurav 2025 for what contribution? কি অৱদানৰ বাবে উপমন্যু বৰকাকতিক অসম গৌৰৱ 2025 বঁটা প্ৰদান কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option A, tea industry. Upamanyu Borkakoti hails from Sibsagar in Upper Assam. He is the founder of Ula Tea along with Anshuman Bhorali. Question number 13. Which of the following entrepreneur has been awarded the Assam Gaurav 2025 for innovating in brick manufacturing? ইটা নিৰ্মাণৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত নতুনত্বৰ বাবে তলৰ কোনজন উদ্যোগীয়ে অসম গৌৰৱ 2025 বঁটা লাভ কৰিছে? The correct answer is option D, David Protim Gogoi. Question number 14. How many institutions have been conferred the Assam Gaurav 2025? কিমানখন প্ৰতিষ্ঠানক অসম গৌৰৱ 2025 প্ৰদান কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option B, 3. 3 institutions have been conferred the Assam Gaurav 2025. They are Soran Ahem, a traditional food enterprise from Kaziranga for promoting indigenous cuisine. Barekuri Eco Development Society from Tinsukia for its efforts in environmental conservation. Hati Bondhu NGO based in Nogao for its work in wildlife conservation, particularly in elephant protection. Question number 15. Who is the current president of Assam BJP? অসম বিজেপিৰ বৰ্তমানৰ সভাপতি কোন? The correct answer is option A, Dilip Soikia. Question number 16. Who has been recently appointed as the new DGP of Assam? অসমৰ নতুন DGP হিচাপে সম্প্ৰতি কাক নিযুক্তি দিয়া হৈছে? The correct answer is option C, Harmeet Singh. Question number 17. How many people from Assam has been conferred the Padma Shri Award 2025? অসমৰ কিমানজন লোকক 2025 চনৰ পদ্মশ্ৰী বঁটা প্ৰদান কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option B, 4. Question number 18. In which field Kshatriya dance maestro Jatin Goswami has been awarded Padma Bhushan Award 2025? কোনটো ক্ষেত্ৰত সত্ৰীয়া নৃত্যৰ অধ্যাপক যতীন গোস্বামীক পদ্মভূষণ বঁটা 2025 প্ৰদান কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option B, art. Question number 19. In which field Anil Kumar Boro has been honored with Padma Shri Award 2025? কোনটো ক্ষেত্ৰত অনিল কুমাৰ বড়োক পদ্মশ্ৰী বঁটা 2025ৰে সন্মানিত কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option B, literature and education. Question number 20. In which field Joina Sharan Bathari has been honored with Padma Shri Award 2025? কোনটো ক্ষেত্ৰত জয়না শৰণ বাথৰিক পদ্মশ্ৰী বঁটা 2025ৰে সন্মানিত কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option A, traditional art. Question number 21. in which field Geeta Upadhyay has been honored with Padma Shri Award 2025? কোনটো ক্ষেত্ৰত গীতা উপাধ্যায়ক পদ্মশ্ৰী বঁটা 2025ৰে সন্মানিত কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option B, literature and education. Question number 22. In which field Rebakanta Mohanto has been honored with Padma Shri Award 2025? কোনটো ক্ষেত্ৰত ৰেবাকান্ত মহন্তক পদ্মশ্ৰী বঁটা 2025ৰে সন্মানিত কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option A, art. Question number 23. Headquarter of 10th APBN will be shifted from Kahilipara to which place? কাহিলিপাৰাৰ পৰা কোন স্থানলৈ স্থানান্তৰ কৰা হ'ব 10ম APBNৰ মুখ্য কাৰ্যালয়? The correct answer is option B, Sonapur. Question number 24. What is the fiscal deficit of the 5th budget 2025 to 26 presented by Assam Finance Minister Ajanta Neuk? অসমৰ বিত্তমন্ত্ৰী অজন্তা নেউগে দাখিল কৰা পঞ্চম বাজেট 2025-26ৰ বিত্তীয় ঘাটি কিমান? The correct answer is option A, 620.27 crore rupees. Question number 25. What is the budget of Assam in 2025? 2025 চনত অসমৰ বাজেট কি? The correct answer is option A, 2.63 lakh rupees crore. Question number 26. What is the per capita income in Assam in 2024 to 25? 2024-25 চনত অসমৰ জনমূৰি আয় কিমান? The correct answer is option B, 1.54 lakh rupees. Question number 27. What is the GSDP growth rate of Assam in 2024 to 25? 2024-25 চনত অসমৰ GSDP বৃদ্ধিৰ হাৰ কিমান? The correct answer is option D, 13%. Assam's gross domestic product GSDP at current prices is projected to grow by 12.74% in 2024 to 25, reaching 6.43 trillion rupees as per advance estimates. Question number 28. Under Chief Minister's Jivan Prerana scheme, how much money will be provided to young graduates and research scholars? মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীৰ জীৱন প্ৰেৰণা আঁচনিৰ অধীনত যুৱ স্নাতক আৰু গৱেষণা পণ্ডিতসকলক কিমান ধন প্ৰদান কৰা হ'ব? The correct answer is option A, 2,500 rupees per month. Question number 29. In which district the 13th Triennial Central Conference of the Tiwa Sahitya Sabha has been held? কোন জিলাত তিৱা সাহিত্য সভাৰ ত্ৰয়োদশ ত্ৰিবাৰ্ষিক কেন্দ্ৰীয় সন্মিলন অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছে? The correct answer is option B, Morigao. Question number 30. Who has been recently elected as the president of the Tiwa Sahitya Sabha? শেহতীয়াকৈ তিৱা সাহিত্য সভাৰ সভাপতি হিচাপে কোন নিৰ্বাচিত হৈছে? The correct answer is option C, Horsing Kholar. Question number 31. Which of the following traditional dance was performed by the Tiwa artists at the 13th Tiwa Sahitya Sabha? ত্ৰয়োদশ তিৱা সাহিত্য সভাত তিৱা শিল্পীসকলে তলৰ কোনটো পৰম্পৰাগত নৃত্য প্ৰদৰ্শন কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A, Borot dance. Question number 32. The headquarters of Assam Rifles has been shifted from Aizawl to which place? আইজলৰ পৰা কোন স্থানলৈ স্থানান্তৰ কৰা হৈছে? অসম ৰাইফলছৰ মুখ্য কাৰ্যালয়। The correct answer is option A, Jokhausang. Question number 33. Who has been honored with Kotha Boibhav Bota 2025? Kotha Boibhav Bota 2025ৰে কোনে সন্মানিত হৈছে? The correct answer is option C, Mayur Bora. Question number 34. Who has been honored with Sahitya Jyoti Bota 2025? কাক সাহিত্য জ্যোতি বঁটা 2025ৰে সন্মানিত কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option C, Ajanta. Question number 35. Which of the following has been honored with the Moghai Oja Award in 2025? 2025 চনত তলৰ কোনজনক মঘাই ওজা বঁটাৰে সন্মানিত কৰা হৈছে? The correct answer is option B, Jahannu Borua. Question number 36. Over how many performers did participate in the Jumoir Binondini event held at Sorusajai Stadium on 24 February 2025? 2025 চনৰ 24 ফেব্ৰুৱাৰীত সৰুসজাই ষ্টেডিয়ামত অনুষ্ঠিত হোৱা ঝুমৈৰ বিনন্দিনী অনুষ্ঠানত কিমান জনতকৈ অধিক কলা কুশলী অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option C, 8,000. Question number 37. Which of the following district was announced as the second capital of Assam by CM Himanta Biswa Sharma on 26 January 2025? 2025 চনৰ 26 জানুৱাৰীত মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাই তলৰ কোনখন জিলাক অসমৰ দ্বিতীয় ৰাজধানী হিচাপে ঘোষণা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A, Dibrugarh. Question number 38. Where was the 51st Karbi Youth Festival held? 51 সংখ্যক কাৰ্বি যুৱ মহোৎসৱ ক'ত অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, Taralangso, Difu. Question number 39. Where was the second Simolu Festival held in February 2025? 2025 চনৰ ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী মাহত দ্বিতীয়খন চিমলু মহোৎসৱ ক'ত অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C, Nagaon, Assam. Question number 40. How many medals were won by Assam in 38 national games held in Uttarakhand? উত্তৰাখণ্ডত অনুষ্ঠিত 38 সংখ্যক ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় খেলত অসমে কিমান পদক লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D, 34. Assam won a total of 34 medals at the 38 national games in Uttarakhand, including 3 gold, 15 silver, and 16 bronze medals. Question number 41. Who won gold medal in women's 75 kg boxing event at the National Games 2025? ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় খেল 2025ত মহিলাৰ 75 kg বক্সিং ইভেণ্টত কোনে স্বৰ্ণ পদক লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A, Loflina Borgohain. Question number 42. In which category of women's boxing event did Ankushita Boro win gold at the National Games 2025? ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় খেল 2025ত অংকুশিতা বড়োৱে মহিলা বক্সিং ইভেণ্টৰ কোনটো শাখাত সোণৰ পদক লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A, 66 kg boxing category. Question number 43. Where was the 77th session of the Assam Sahitya Sabha held? অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ 77 সংখ্যক অধিৱেশন ক'ত অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, Pathshala Bojali. The 77th session of the Assam Sahitya Sabha was held at Bhattodev Kshetra in Pathshala Bojali. Question number 44. The Bereti wetland recently seen in news is located in which district of Assam? শেহতীয়াকৈ বাতৰিত দেখা পোৱা বেৰেতি জলাশয় অসমৰ কোনখন জিলাত অৱস্থিত? The correct answer is option C, Bishwanath. The Bereti wetland is located between NH15 and Bereti railway station about 25 km east of Bishwanath Chariali. It is home to over 150 bird species, including 5 threatened species. They are Himalayan griffon, vulnerable; lesser adjutant stork, near threatened; woolly-necked stork, near threatened; ferruginous pochard, near threatened; the greater spotted eagle, Clenga clenga, vulnerable. Question number 45. When did Assam government approve the establishment of Sikhna Jowalau National Park as the 8th National Park of Assam? অসম চৰকাৰে কেতিয়া চিখনা জৌৱালাও ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় উদ্যানক অসমৰ 8ম ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় উদ্যান হিচাপে প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰিবলৈ অনুমোদন দিছিল? The correct answer is option A, 16 February 2025. The Sikhna Jowalau National Park is located along the India-Bhutan border in Kokrajhar and Sirang districts. It is located between two existing national parks, Manas National Park to the east and Raimona National Park to the west. Its total area is 316 square kilometers. It was declared as the state's 8th and BTR's 3rd national park on August 15, 2024 by the Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma. Question number 46. In which sports event did Nayanmani Soikia and Bongita Hazarika win gold medal at the National Games 2025? কোনখন ক্ৰীড়া প্ৰতিযোগিতাত ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় খেল 2025ত নয়নমণি শইকীয়া আৰু বংগীতা হাজৰিকাই স্বৰ্ণ পদক লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A, women's lawn bowls doubles. Question number 47. How much investment proposals did Assam attract during the 2-day Advantage Assam 2.0 Summit 2025? দুদিনীয়া এডভান্টেজ আসাম 2.0 শীৰ্ষ সন্মিলন 2025ৰ সময়ত অসমে কিমান বিনিয়োগৰ প্ৰস্তাৱ আকৰ্ষণ কৰিলে? The correct answer is option A, 4.91 lakh rupees crore. Question number 48. When was Advantage Assam 2.0 held? Advantage Assam 2.0 কেতিয়া অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, 25 to 26 February 2025. Question number 49. Where was the inaugural sitting of the Assam Budget Session 2025 held? 2025 চনৰ অসম বাজেট অধিৱেশনৰ উদ্বোধনী বৈঠক ক'ত অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, Kokrajhar. Question number 50. Which company has recently planned to build a 7-star Oberoi hotel in Assam? শেহতীয়াকৈ কোনটো কোম্পানীয়ে অসমত 7 তাৰকাযুক্ত ওবেৰয় হোটেল নিৰ্মাণৰ পৰিকল্পনা কৰিছে? The correct answer is option B, Reliance Industries Limited.